To add your BMO card to Apple Pay, start by opening the Wallet app on your Apple device. If you do not see the Wallet app, you can find it by swiping left on your home screen and typing Wallet in the search bar. Next, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to begin the process of adding a new card. Select Continue and then choose the type of card you want to add, which in this case is a credit or debit card. Take a picture of your BMO card or enter the card details manually. If you choose to take a picture, ensure the card is on a flat surface and well lit. The camera will automatically detect the card number and expiration date. If you enter the details manually, make sure to type the information accurately. After entering your card details, you will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions of adding your card to Apple Pay. Read through the terms carefully and tap Agree to proceed. Your bank will then verify your card information to ensure it is valid and that you are the card owner. This may involve receiving a verification code via email or phone call. Enter the verification code to complete the verification process. Once your card is verified, you will see a message stating that your card has been added to Apple Pay. You can now use your BMO card with Apple Pay to make payments in stores, online, and in apps. To use Apple Pay, simply double-click the side button on your Apple device to bring up your default card. Then tap your device near the contactless payment terminal. You can also change your default card by opening the Wallet app and tapping on the card you want to use. It is essential to note that you should always keep your device and card information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Use a passcode or Face ID to lock your device and never share your card details with anyone.